Poor Sam. Poor Sam. Poor Sam.
Tim, you were so dumb. Sam. Down. Oh. Come here. Come here, Sam. Kitty. Come on.
I'm gonna go grab them. This might be the wrong size, but we'll have to see.
Do you have to open it?
I have to make it a little bigger.
Okay. Now you falling for that one. Come on, Sam.
Come on.
Oh. Too smart for me, huh? Sorry, buddy.
Maybe hold them like that way that I hold them upside down side, you know?
Yeah, I don't do it really well, though. Try number 2. It's gonna stay? It's not gonna
Just
stay.
having an erection problem.
Erectile. Are you a victim of erectile dysfunction? It's beautiful.
Sam, it looks just like your old tail.
Nobody will notice. Alright, I'm gonna put them down. See if it'll stay. Whoa, careful. That was great. Hey.
It's not funny.
Poor Sam. He lost half his tail in the door. Christmas is coming, and he looks like hell. I gotta see if I can make him a new tail. Well, I got a nice piece of black plastic pipe at the shop, just about the right size. I put a little bend in it. Now I gotta find some black fur to cover it somehow. Oh geez, I just thought. A black fur steering wheel cover. Sounds pretty good. Pet Boys, nope. All the pop stores, nope. Auto stores, nope. Oh boy. So, go to Kmart. Look around in the kids department of stuffed animals. Oh, geez, there's a black baboon up there. His arms look just about the right size. So, how much is that? $2.47. Oh, that's a good deal. So, only need a knife and some glue. So, cut the arms off of the baboon, pull all the cotton out. Geez, they fit over the pipe just right. So, put some glue on the pipe, slide them over the pipe. Geez, it looks pretty good. So I guess Sam's got a new tail for Christmas.
Come here. Kitty.